I just meet some friendly locals, and he say hi, so I also say hi to him.
你好，你好，你好。
你好，你好，你好。This is the boss, handsome boss. 我很靓仔。Hey guys, this is Janelle from China, and today let me show you some local market vibes here in Shenzhen. And now I'm going to a local market that is near the Liantang Checkpoint. If you come to China through the 144-hour visa-free transit arrangement, actually you can exit Shenzhen to Hong Kong through this Liantang Checkpoint. But I think currently you can't really enter Shenzhen through that checkpoint, but you can exit through that checkpoint. And today I come to this Liantang Market to explore the local markets a little bit because I know it's a very popular market among the seniors in Hong Kong. So this time I'll just come here to see what's available and explore the local vibes here. I've never been to this side before, and it seems that this is a very lively local market or local restaurant.
This is what we call a Dai Pai Dong in Cantonese, basically a roadside eatery with a simple roof over it. It's very popular with the locals because the food is fresh, tasty, and easy on the wallet. You'll hear the loud sizzle of the wok and the crackle of open flames. That's all part of the charm and the buzzing local vibe. Before reaching the market, you will pass many roadside shops selling cooked food, such as roasted goose, chicken, and bread. There are so many different styles and flavors. Some of the dishes I don't even know the name of. They always ask you to try the food before purchasing. No matter you buy or not, it doesn't really matter.
And just now, I get one piece, so I'm gonna try it.
你看这样，看看这进来。
我就吃一个吧，真係好食呢個。
哎，真好。仲冇煮緊煮嘅。
自己整啊？
啊，
幾錢一斤？
沙律啦。
一斤。
係一斤沙律。
唔該晒。
好，一陣。
This goose is
it's
so
really good.
delicious, but I'm on a diet. Surrounding the market, usually you will not only find food sellers, but also shops like key maker, tailor, or even shoe repair shops. Just as we're trying to find the market, this gentleman comes to say hi to me.
这个市场是不是这边最便宜的一个市场？买那些吃的什么东西的话，这边应该是比较
还可以，这边还可以。那从这过去，这边就是一个好点的一个餐厅，那个聚香园餐厅。然后再往前面走呀，往左拐就是菜市场。菜市场有很多小摊位。菜和那个肉呀，还有一种熟食呀，都很便宜，是吧？都很实在。
好，谢谢你。
都很亲民。我是卖水果的。你是卖水果的是吧？可以去您摊子看看呀。可以。就在里面是吗？我店在里面。店在里面。然后我这路边有个小摊。我主要卖新疆的苹果。新疆的苹果。对，新疆的苹果。So this is a boss, and he has a store in the market, and he's selling the apple from Xinjiang province. Because Xinjiang apple is very famous in China. It's very sweet and it's very big. Maybe later we can go to his store to have a look.
He distributes the fruits to nearby households, and he told me last time one of his videos got over 100 million views, and he's always pioneering to try new ways to do his business. He's a real entrepreneur. After saying goodbye to our new friend, we finally found the local fresh market.
And now we arrived at this local market. Let me show you.
This type of wet market offers a wide variety of fresh vegetables, meat, seafood, and byproducts. Here's a shop that specializes in tofu products. In China, we have many different types of tofu, like soft tofu, firm tofu, bean curd sheets, fried tofu, and more. Fruits and vegetables are usually sold by weight rather than by piece. For example, dragon fruit costs around $0.5 per 500 grams.
For that vegetable is per 500 gram. The price is around $1.
These are traditional Chinese sausages made from marinated dried meat with a blend of spices. There's no preservatives and are often cooked along with vegetables and rice.
And this is a noodle shop. We have different types of noodles, and I'm buying this one because it's very soft and it's very, very thin. I like this type of noodle. And these are used for wonton or dumplings. This is the skin.
The market also offers food processing services. I bought some freshly baked sesame seeds, and the shop owner helped me grind them using this machine.
And something unexpected happened because the power of this grinder is very strong. The fuse exploded, I think, and now it stops working. But anyway, I think the grind is good enough, so I'll just take it as it is. And this is the grinded black sesame.
Right next door, there's a vendor selling freshly pressed pomegranate juice. It's rich in antioxidants and vitamins, great for your skin. And one bottle is 12 yuan, which is around $1.8 US.
Okay, here is a dentist. Hello. This is a dentist shop, and they say if you buy the pomegranate juice here on this side, you can, get your teeth cleaning service at this shop for free. I checked, it's real.
What?
Guess what? The pomegranate juice seller is the dentist's sister. Directly across from the dentist is my favorite spot in the market. They sell all kinds of dry nuts like cashews, almonds, and more. I pick up some of my favorite roasted sunflower seeds.
多少钱来着？5块。Okay. This is 5 RMB for this amount. It's less than $1, It tastes very good. You can have this while you're watching TV or watching a movie. And usually you can just come here, and try before you buy it. And they have this dry black bean. Okay, but I don't think it's my favorite. So this is the boss. Handsome boss. 我说你很靓仔。
Just before leaving the market, I saw a big oven roasting baby pigeons.
This is barbecue baby pigeon. They massage it first and then put it in this oven to let it cook for I don't know how long time. This is the cooked baby pigeon. And on this side, they're doing this barbecue pork thing. I just got 2 pieces of barbecue baby pigeon, and you guess the price. It's only 25 RMB for 2 small pigeons, which is less than $4 US. It tastes really, really nice. I tried that before.
It's dinner time, and we stopped by a roadside stall to enjoy some night market food. I ordered a steamed bun, and here's how they make Baozi, a fluffy bun filled with minced pork and green onion. I also ordered roasted oysters from another vendor just outside. The oyster vendor even brought them over to my table, so I could enjoy everything in one place. The shop owners here all know each other very well. They are happy to share customers and deliver food between stalls. It's a tight-knit community where everyone works together and supports one another's business.
Okay guys, that's all for today. This is Jeanette from China. If you like my video, welcome to subscribe to my channel. If you need any product sourcing, logistic, or related services, welcome to visit our website or contact us through our WhatsApp. Thanks for watching and see you next time. Bye!